Welcome back to my new video. One of my customers brought this phone to me. He told me that the phone is working, but there's no light on the screen. As a technician, check this out. Let me turn on the phone. Let me turn on the phone for you guys to see. The phone is working very well, but there's no backlight. Check this out. The phone just boots now, but there's no backlight. Unless you use touch viewpoint. Check this out. Check this out. The phone is showing. The phone is showing Techno. As a technician, without time wasted, let me start working on the phone. Check this out. This is where the screen light IC is. Check this out. If you check here, you will see that they have already worked on this before. Check this out. You can see they have already connected something here before, but did not work. As a technician, without time wasted, let me start working on this. No time to waste. Let me start and fix the issue. First thing, I will get the capacitor removed. After that, I will do some inspection. Very, very important. I will do inspection to confirm if there is anything else that is missing here, and then fix the issue. My technician, I know for sure a lot of us technician things when backlight, screen light of the phone is not working, and the problem is from the Bose coil. It's not from the Bose coil. Always check and be sure. Please always check and be sure before you remove any component. Check this out. I want to first of all remove the capacitor and do some inspection. I want to check it very well to see if there is any component that is missing or is short. That is why the backlight, the screen light is not coming up. As a technician, check this out. I just remove the capacitor now. Please take your time to do this so that you will not spoil any other component. Check this out. Take your time to do this. If you have any question, let me know. If you have any question, check this out. Let me put on a PCB stand and then check it very well. I will be done. Please wait. Check this out. So the first thing here is for me to do inspection. I check very well, and I see that there are some places that is short. So let me use my soldering iron to remove it. You can see I clean it very well. So take your time to do this. Check this out. I clean it very well. I brush it. Please take your time to do this. All of these things are very simple to repair. They are very simple. Very, very simple. They are very, very simple to repair. Check this out. I will soon be done and fix the issue. Check this out. After brushing this, I will show you something. I will show you where the problem is coming from. Check this out. If you check here, you will see that there is a resistor here missing. There's a missing resistor here, and this place here is cut off. There's two issues here, okay? First thing, there's a resistor here that is missing. The second thing, the line is cut. There is an open circuit. So first of all, I will get the same PCB. And remove it from here. So it is important for you to have phone PCB so that you will not be, thinking, where will I get it, this or that. So please don't sell your PCB. Keep it for, later use, okay? Keep your PCB for later use so that in case you find anything useful, you can just get it from there and fix it in any phone that you want to fix it. So check this out. I want to get it from this and then fix it there. It's going to work 100%. It's going to work like magic. Check this out. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. I'm taking my time to do this. Take your time to do this. Check this out. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. If you have any question, let me know if you have any question. Check this out. I take my time to do this because I want to make sure that my customer phone is working. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. So this is the resistor. I got it from this phone. You can see. Check this out. And the capacitor. I got two resistor and capacitor. I don't want to use the whole capacitor again. I want to use this one that I got from the same PCB. Check this out. This is the capacitor and this is the resistor. So let me put the other panel, which is the one I want to fix. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. If you have any question, please let me know. If you have any question, feel free, let me know. It's important. If you have any question, feel free, let me know. Please let me know. It's important. So first thing is for me to carry the resistor. Check this out. I'm zooming for you guys to see very well. Check this out. If you have any question, let me know. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this, my dear technician. Check this out. I take my time to put it very well. Make sure that the black face up. You can see this side that is showing black should face up. I mean, you should see this black. The other side that is showing white should be under. Check this out. I'm done. So the next thing is for me to put the capacitor. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. So this is the capacitor. Check this out. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Okay. Check this out. So let me blow. Let me turn on my workstation now and blow. Check this out. I'll be done. I just started blowing now. Check this out. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. Check this out. I'm done. My dear technician, I'm done. Check this out. I'm done. Very simple. No need to stress yourself. Okay? No need to stress yourself. My dear technician, no need to stress yourself. Very, very simple. No need to stress yourself. If you have any question concerning this, you are free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question concerning this. My dear technician, I'm done. So the next thing is for me to clean it very well. Check this out. I take my time to clean it. Clean it very, very well. Check this out. I take my time to clean it very well. Check this out. No time wasted. Take my time to clean it very well. Check this out. Very clean, very neat. Very neat. No time wasted. Very neat, my dear technician. Check this out. Very clean, very neat. So the next thing is for me to do the jumper. I will show you. Very simple and easy. I will do jumper from here. Check this out. To the capacitor. That's what I will do. Simple and easy. My dear technician, during this process, please do not allow this positive connection, this positive wire, to touch the negative. Okay? Do not allow this positive wire to touch the negative. If not, you're going to spoil something. So be very, very careful. Take your time to do this. Do not allow. Take your time to do this. Check this out. Check the way I'm doing mine. I take my time to do it. Let me cut the excess wire. Check this out. I'm done. 100%. Very simple. No time wasted. Check this out. No time wasted. If you have any question, feel free. Feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Okay? Let me know in the comment section. So the next thing is for me to test it. I have to test it using my multimeter to be sure whether it's working or not. I have to test it. Check this out. Please wait. Check this out. Very neat. Very clean. I brush it again. So the next thing is for me to disconnect it from the PCB stand and then use my multimeter to test it. If you have any question, you are free. Let me know if you have any question. Feel free, let me know. If you have any question at all, feel free. Check this out. It's not giving any reading, meaning it is working. Check this out. You can see the negative read and the positive is not reading, meaning it is working. Check this out. I'm done. I'm done 100%. Check this out. So the next thing is for me to fix the phone. Check this out. So this is still the panel. I've not changed it. This is still the panel. This is still the panel. I've not changed it to. I like to do my thing open for you guys to see the proof. Check this out. So let me put battery and power on the phone. If you have any question, like I said, feel free. Let me know. So 1, 2, ready, and go. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. It works. It works like magic. It works like magic. Let me hold the battery very well. Let me hold the battery very well. Check this out. I will be done. Check this out. Let me take my time to hold the battery very well, since it's not the battery of the phone. Check this out. 1, 2, ready, and go. My dear technician, it works. It works like magic. Check this out. It works like magic. If you have any question concerning this, let me know in the comment section. Screen light is off 100%. So when there's no backlight, you don't have to think. Okay? I've seen a lot of people thinking, they don't know what to do. You don't have to think. Please, you don't have to think. Just calm down yourself and then look for the same PCB. Get the IC, get the diode, get the resistor, fix it, and it works. Check this out. I'm done. My dear technician, check this out. I'm done. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question. My dear technician, before I close the video, let me still show you that this is still the panel. I've not changed it. Check this out. Let me zoom my camera. Check this out. I've not changed it. You can see. Check the connection. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, I love you all.